What's up, Facebook world? Make sure you can hear me on here. Always got to check. It seems to have like a 6 second-ish delay. Um, there we go. Good, good, good. You can hear me. That's what I want. Loud and clear. All right, everybody. Diesel McLean here. Today we're going to show you our new software that allows you to get unlimited leads, business leads from Google Maps without having to pay their high API costs. There's a lot of interest in this, so I'm going to demo it here now. We're going to run a pre-launch special if you guys want to check it out, see how easy this tool is. So let me get the screen share going and get right into it. So we're just up here in good old little Google Chrome. And traditionally what you would do is, let's say that we want to look for roofers near me, right? We want to look for roofing companies. And we'll come down and we can leave that alone. Doesn't matter. Whoops. Doesn't matter. We'll come and we'll look and you'll see, there's 3 roofers here. So we go view all. And you'll see there's a couple roofers around here, right? So maybe we zoom out a little bit more, look around, see if we get a few more to pop up. So we get some roofing leads here. Now you guys could go through manually and copy down all this information and grab all this information for you. Or you could use our fantastic little software here where we have a Hunter API integration also, which will allow you to grab their emails. But for now, for this demo, we're just going to download as a CSV. And we'll go ahead and hit confirm and we'll run. And we'll just let it run. And you'll see it's running and it's going through the map here. And it's just going to grab our leads. And then it's going to go in ahead and jump onto the next page. Look, no hands, not doing anything. So you can have this set up running in background, come over to your other, in my case, I use multiple monitors. Most of you guys do too. Come over here to this other window and do other things I need to do. Play around on Facebook, act like I'm actually, working while this does all the job for me. So we'll go ahead and stop it here. Let's see when it just gets to 20, just look at it. 21, we'll go ahead and stop scraping. You'll notice it'll download our CSV right away for us. So we'll go ahead and open that. Roofers near me, that's what I searched for. Oh, I guess I didn't tell it to stop. I guess it's still going. Didn't mean to do that. All right. Where's my CSV? That's what I meant to do. Open with, open office. So now we'll open it up and we'll import it. And now you can see I've got, it shows me which ones are ads, what's not an ad, shows me all the business name, description, phone number, address. We have one slight little bug here, which they already submitted to the Chrome store to get it fixed, but it's a matter of when they approve it here. The website address is not going in the website in some cases. Some cases it's going into the city. And you'll see it's a formatting issue on Google's end when we're collecting the data. So we've submitted a bug to get that fixed. So that'll be live in the Chrome store here shortly and will be updated when you guys get this first version that comes out. The website will be in the website spot, and then addresses and cities will populate there as we get it. So it's stupid simple tool that we can use. And you could use this for absolutely anything. Let's say you wanted to do dentists near me. Find some dentists. I'll go ahead and close this. Find some dentists. Here's some dentists. Some are ads, some are there. And we'll go ahead. Again, Hunter API. You can use hunter.io. What Hunter allows you to do, and there's some prices on there. You can get 50 of these free each month. What it does is when you grab the domain names, Hunter will go in and allow you to grab the email addresses, and they're all verified. So it's a legit email that you can get through to someone. It's not always the gatekeeper, unfortunately, but you can get through to someone. So we do have that integration where you can add that in there if you choose to. So that would be your only cost. You don't have to pay Google Maps for their API cost. If you guys have ever done anything using their API cost, sometimes you can get huge surprise bills. We've had people get bills all of a sudden over $10,000. in a single month because they didn't realize that they were running all these APIs in the background, or their site got a ton more traffic than they wanted, or their tool or their app or whatever they're using. But let's go ahead and see here. We got dentist near me. We'll go ahead and get this started. Again, I'm not using Hunter API just for these demos, so I don't burn up all my credits, just to show off the tool for you guys. And we're going to download it as a CSV. You can also send your data to a webhook. So you can put in a webhook, and so you can send it to CRM like we do, or you can send it to a Google Sheet or anywhere else. You can put these webhooks in. You can send it to Zapier, that kind of stuff too. So it's great to be able to do that because you could actually throw it into your CRM, calling people as soon as it's done. And so you could get all your cold calling, everything else set up for the day if you guys do that, or just have it in the CRM to start doing email autoresponders, text messages, phone calls, all that kind of stuff for this and for the example. And so that it's quick, and just to show you guys on here for this quick little demo, we'll just download a CSV and we'll hit confirm, and you'll see, look, no hands. You can just have this running in the background, and it will just keep collecting data for you, and it'll just keep collecting those leads, and it'll move on from the first page, and it'll go a couple pages forward. So I'll leave that up here for a second so you can see it goes on the other pages. So there's been a lot of concern when I was showing this about you don't have any API costs. People were concerned about maybe you have to use a VPN, or maybe you'd have to, have some kind of privacy so that you'd have to worry about it. You're not actually clicking anything except for as you're scrolling down on the page and you're scrolling through them, you'll be fine. We've tested this countless numbers of times so far, and we've not had one single issue. You see it just click to go to the next page. So we've not seen anything. We've done hundreds and hundreds of tests on these where we've collected hundreds and hundreds of leads just to make sure that it worked, to make sure we didn't get flagged anywhere or anything. So we are going to do a pre-launch special on this where you guys can grab a lifetime deal. It'll be the only time we offer up lifetime deals, a monthly deal or yearly deal. When I'm done with this, I'll put the website in the address, or actually, I guess I can throw it in the comments now. There is no video on that page because this is actually the video I'm recording now. Unlimitedbusinessleads.com. There we go. It's in the comments there. Jump in, ask any questions you guys have. Thanks for tuning in this morning here. I know it's really early for some of you guys. It's almost 11 a.m. here in Ohio for me. See, we should be on our third page, I believe. We'll let it switch over and grab another page, and then I'll shut it off here just so you can see. So it'll run automatically for you, all on autopilot. You can grab all the leads you need. We're going to build out more features to this too. Where you'll be able to see, like, do they have SSL installed, which, if those of you guys don't know, that's a security certificate to make sure their site's secure. Do they have any social mentions, any of that kind of stuff on there? We got ratings and reviews. There's another page. We'll let it grab a few, and I'll go ahead and shut that off. And you'll see it's just scrolling down. So we'll go ahead and stop. You'll see I got my CSV, show in folder. We'll open it up. And there you go. So you can see their ratings, the total number of the reviews, the phone number, the description for their business, whether or not it was an ad or not an ad, the search position that they were in, the business name. Like I said, the one little bug we have that we got submitted to work for the Chrome store, because this will go live in the Chrome store once it pushes that update through, is occasionally when there's not addresses, it's putting the website in the city spot. We do have that moved, so that will show in the website spot here. So that is fixed and submitted. So your street address will be in there as soon as that's done, when it's applicable. Like I said, too, we are going to look at filling that out. Let me go ahead and stop screen. So we've got that fixed, so that'll go through. We're going to run a pre-launch special deals on this, where you can grab it for $147 a month, $497 for a year, or $997 for a lifetime. Then you never pay again. So as we build it out with more features, more direct integrations, it's just going to go up in price. This is massive, and this is huge. If you get just one website client from doing this, one business client, one roofing client, one business to business, if you're in that field, one client, and it'll pay for this tool. And think about how many leads you'd still be able to get again and again and again and again. So what you're able to do is you're able to scrape those leads automatically. Like I said, you're able to see their star rating, their review ratings. If you do review management, social media marketing, any kind of digital marketing, now you can grab all your clients, just let this tool run in the background. You can then use webhooks and send them to your CRM, which is your customer relations managers. For those that don't know, you'll be able to send it there to the customer relations manager, and then you'll be able to start calling people, texting, email, whatever areas you want to do. For those of you just jumping in here a little bit late, let me just show you what we're doing here and demonstrating. I'll pull it back up again real quick here. So let's say we're going to look for lawyers near me, and you don't necessarily have to do the whole near me. You can search for whatever you want. I'm just using this as an example because it makes it really simple for what I'm doing. So we'll just come here and we'll start. Again, you can also use Hunter API. They do have a credit system. You get 50 free a month where it gives you the emails. It gives you only verified emails for websites. That way, you know you're grabbing a guy. But for the example here, just for a live example to keep it short, simple, and sweet, we'll have training videos or whatnot to show you how to do webhooks. It's stupid simple. If you guys don't know how to use it, it'll be easy to do. So we'll just hit confirm and we'll let this run in the background. As you can see, the mouse isn't moving. It's not me. So you let this run in the background while you do other things. We're looking for lawyers near me. I'm not sure why CVS showed up, but that must be something to do with how they have themselves categorized on Google Maps. So as you guys can see, this could be a hugely powerful tool to be able to run around, let it collect these leads. You'll see we're at a dozen already. The number will pop up here, 13 already. And you just let it run. You do your thing. You come over to another window, do what you got to do, take care of business. If you use the webhooks, you can send them automatically to your CRM. Like I said, we use Chirply, and then we can actually call people, which is going to be absolutely huge and fantastic. Well, you're going to have limited launch pricing on this, open up to just 10 accounts. Once we sell those 10 accounts, we'll pull that licensing. Then when we actually launch and everything is live and 100%, those prices will go up and we'll pull those spots away. So we've got a great lifetime deal on there for you guys to check out and see. I mean, this tool is just absolutely massive. Like I said, if you get one customer or one client, let's say if you're in digital marketing who becomes an ad client, you know, or you build a website for them, or you see, hey, their social media and stuff on here is bunk, you know, or we need to get their reviews up. This tool is absolutely massively huge. You don't pay for Google's APIs. You don't have to worry about scraping or anything else. You'll see it's looking for some more, but we'll go ahead and stop it. And we'll grab our sheet here, our sheet. But if you get just one client alone from this would be huge, because you can come through and you go, this guy's got a 3.7 rating and he does paid ads and he's only got 12 reviews. Let's work on helping him get situated. And you can come down the list and you can see, you know, we did 42. I mean, here's 42 leads. Just like that. That's simple. We just set it and forget it. You grab all their phone numbers. You can throw them in the CRM. You can export this however you want. Like I said, the only slight little bug we have that's getting fixed is just this formatting issue. Right now, if they don't have the address fully put out, it's just putting the website where the city and state and address is going to go. We have that fixed. We're just waiting on Chrome Store to approve it. And then the websites will be back over there. The websites, but full disclaimer, I'd like you guys to know what their issues are. We're going to have a bunch more features in here where we're going to build out social media campaigns. So you'll be able to see if they have those on their sites, SSL on their sites to see if the site's secure. If it's not, a lot of people are out there doing selling those security certificates and much, much more. So drop any questions or comments you have below. I'll jump back in and answer them. Otherwise, if you guys are watching this video on the site that we have, take advantage of our pre-launching prices. It's only for 10 people. Once those 10 accounts are gone, then we'll pull it, and then we'll go to the regular launch price when it launches. And most of the prices will double on that. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Look forward to talking to you soon. Peace.